After our last few lessons, I have finally been promoted to co-workshop leader. Yes! And once again, we have spiced things up for this episode and we have added a theme, Easter. We will be showing you some really cute table decor ideas to add to your Easter table. And what's even better is that they are quick, easy, and the results scream professional.
Okay, so we all love Easter and we love Easter eggs.
Yes!
So what we're going to do and show you today is we've created some placemats. So we've made 4 of them. We've prepped them already. So we've done a lot of work in the background already. And we are going to be showing you some stenciling. We're going to show you some transfers on these beautiful little plastic eggs that we saw bought from Toys R Us. Make them all cute and fancy for the table. And then we're also going to zhuzh up these ceramic bunnies and then show you guys as an end result what it looks like. So first up that we are going to be showing you is how to do a transfer. So these eggs have been painted. This color is bubblegum milkshake. So we've painted it straight onto the egg. It's a plastic egg. And then I've sealed it with classic seal, but you didn't need to do that. You could have done the transfer first and then seal, because the transfer does need to be sealed, guys. When you seal your transfers, please, classic seal works the best for sealing transfers. We are using our little knobby transfers just to show you. It's the Farmhouse Delight collection ones that we are using. And then we are going to show you how easy peasy it is to use. Now Roxy, are you ready?
I'm ready. First you peel it.
Then you lick it.
Please don't lick it. Then you stick it.
And then you scratch it.
Yes.
Okay, there you go. You see, as you scratch, it goes all doff on it. It means it's sticking. Okay, let me just move my finger here a bit to the other side.
You can actually see it almost pop off onto the egg.
Guys, really easy.
So super easy.
The 2 of us can do it.
Anyone can do
Times, anybody can do it. Okay, and then you seal it with classic seal. Okay, so we'll put that there with our little collection. And then what we've done with our placemats, the colors that we've used here is cotton candy, vanilla cream, and then we're stenciling with our liquid metal gold. And this one is vanilla cream, Celtic mist, and also the gold stenciling. So we haven't sealed this, it's only been prepped. So once your stenciling is done, you need to seal it. Classic seal will also work very well with this. Unless you're going to be putting some like warm plates and stuff on it, then armor will be your best bet. But let's get cracking here with stenciling. Roxy's become a real pro at this.
I've been practicing.
No pressure, no pressure. Okay, again guys, very, very dry brush. So these are our little postcard stencils. It's called bunnies. Very cute for this project, but I want to show you, we've got a very nice big one called bunnies and birds. So you can even use this one. Anything on here will also work very, very well. Okay, but let's use these small little ones. There you go. Okay, just to give you an idea, I'll wait until it's dry and then I'll just brush off the little bottom pieces that's hanging around on there. Okay, so these are our little placemats, done and dusted. Really guys, it's going to look so nice once we set that table with everything going on. The last piece of our decoration showcase is our little bunnies. So these are ceramic bunnies that we've given a coat of vanilla cream. So this is what they look like. We've done half of them already with some Gilders, just to shine them up a bit. You know, Roxy loves some
Sparkle.
There you go. So Roxy likes to use brushes. I like to use my finger, but really guys, whichever way you feel comfortable with. And then it's got little grooves and stuff everywhere. So I'm really just covering this whole bunny. I'm using pale gold here. And I'm just covering it with my finger. And then rubbing it in. And then you can see over there Roxy is using her little brush. Keeping her fingers clean. And I think this is just going to give a nice little touch to my Easter table, which I'll show you all at a later stage. So remember with Gilders, it really is the last step that you use in your project. So once you've sealed and you've done everything on your project, your Gilders is your last little step that you use. And then you're done. It cures and it's done and dusted. And it gives a nice, unique look to your project. So we're using pale gold here, and then Roxy is using rosy, a whole lot of rosy. And just as a little reminder, we've got our liquid metals in the same colors to complement this range. So there you go, guys, just to show you, and then we will set our table at a later stage and show you how beautiful this all comes together. Thank you, Roxy.
Thank you. I love my new position as co-workshop leader, and I bet you our customers are going to hop right on to start placing their Easter orders.
That sounds egg.